Hello, friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks. And today I'm going to talk about VIP Industries. Can it be a multi bagger from here, or one should avoid it? So let's get started. First, all a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position into any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about VIP Industries, has small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. So that's a 20% discount. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company. Established in 1971, VIP Industries provide luggage and travel accessories, and it's headquartered in Mumbai and has around 1600 to 2000 employees. It is the leader in this space and have roped in major celebrities for its brand positioning and its you can say campaigning. Have six brands, namely Aristocrat, Skybag, etc., and have operations in UK, Dubai, Singapore as well. If you look at the financials of the company, then sales have gone down by around 23% in the March quarter. So this is March quarter FY21 versus FY20. Profit of 9 crores became a loss of 4 crores. Quite advantageously and quite understandably, they've gone into losses. Increase in finance cost is a worry in that regard. Decent promoter and institutional holding with the stock ROE of around 27% and operating profit margin of around 16%. If you look at the performance of the stock has fallen relentlessly since August of 2018, and we have not seen a smart recovery in that. Has risen 60% from the March 2020 lows. That is quite that is quite right. That has risen from those 250 to 60 levels or so. Although numbers are under pressure, and numbers have remained under pressure for quite a while, and it seems like the next 6 months doesn't augur well for the company, and that is why probably people are not getting into the stock that much. It has recovered smartly from the March 2020 lows, but it is not setting the Lal Street on fire. It's not like that. So it's in a range, and the stock is not doing greatly because of the fact that there is a chance that we are going to have a third wave of the pandemic, and the company may not do well because it is directly linked to the travel industry. So on the ground, things will get better once the pandemic ends, and that could be by 23 or so. So may start performing from second half of FY23 rather than right now. So there's still a way to go, probably a year to go before a big performance in the stock take place. Things are improving on the ground. It is not that it is under a lot of pressure, and return ratios are pretty strong. So that's a positive. So why I believe it can be 3x from here, it has a low market cap for such a business. I believe that such a business should have a market cap closer to something like 20,000 crores, 15 to 20,000 crores, and future growth is imminent. Once things normalize, the growth will kick in, and you will see, no matter from which transport level uh, the people travel, they are going to use bags of VIP or other companies as well, and VIP has a majority share in the, you can say, organized sector. So this will continue to perform well. So it can be a proxy to air and rail travel, as I mentioned. Rather than buying into that high debt airline companies, you could directly buy into a VIP. Will surge once travel restrictions ease completely, and that is why I am saying that probably from FY23 onwards things will look much better. So there's not a long way to go. Probably 8 9 months from now you will see the stock performing pretty well. So 2022 April, 22 July or so, so probably a year from now things will look much better. I'm pretty confident with respect to the performance of the company. The debt is there, and but it is not huge, and that's why the company is doing decently even in difficult times at the moment. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, buy on major declines. That would be my opinion. 330, 340 could be very good levels to buy into. Keep track of numbers and have a 3-year time frame. This could end up being 1000 to 1200 rupees, 12 1300 rupees over that time frame. So this can become a multi-bagger provided that things open up, and that is what I'm banking on in FY23. So by 2024 July August, you might see the stock more than 1000, so that's more than into 4 digits. So this is my video on VIP. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.